Good morning and welcome back to my channel. It is very warm and humid outside, so I'm not going to be out too long. I am just going to show you some seedlings that I started from seed up under the Mars grow light, and I'm going to start some brassicas. I know some of you are probably going to say it's too early to start brassicas. Well, I wanted to see if I can get a jump on them and kind of get two planting seasons out of the fall season that's upcoming. So I'm going to start today with some cabbage and some broccoli. But before I do that, let me show you the seedlings that I had recently under the grow light. Okay, these are the Katrina cucumbers, and these are the Gold Coast okra. I'm going to leave them sitting out on my table so they can get adjusted to being outside, and then I'm going to go ahead and plant them. Okay, I think I'm going to grow or plant two different types of broccoli. This one is the broccoli sultus. It is a seed that I got from a dealer that gets seeds from the Ukraine. So I want to see about growing it. That's one variety. And the other variety of broccoli I'm going to grow is the Disaceo from Botanical Gardens. If you're interested in purchasing this particular variety, you can head over to my website. There's a link for Botanical Gardens. I'm sorry, Botanical Interests. So we'll do 3 of these and 3 of this variety. And as far as the cabbage goes, I think I'm going to grow this variety from Johnny's called the Hybrid Storage Green, storage number 4. And I'm going to plant 6 of these. Okay, I have my 6-cell containers. These were also from Bootstrap. I have a link for those if you're interested as well. I have some pre-moistened soil, potting soil, that I'm going to put into the cells. Okay, that's one. Okay, and that's that one. Let's move this out of the way. Wipe my hands off. Okay, I'm going to use my index finger to place a dimple in the soil. And I'm going to put 2 to 3 seeds in each hole. Let's label this one real quick. That's that side. Okay. And we're going to put 2 to 3 seeds of this variety in each hole as well. And we're going to top them off with more soil. Okay, and that's this. So we'll move that out of the way. Next, we have our cabbage. Pretty much the same as with the broccoli. We're going to make a little indentation with my index finger in each of the cell. And we're going to put 2 to 3 seeds in each cell. Top them off. Okay, I'm going to put a label in this one, and then I'm going to take them inside and put them under the grow light and give them a good watering, and I'll see you inside. Okay, we're back inside, and I'm going to use my handy dandy hand pump sprayer. The sprayer contains a mixture of water and fish emulsion. Okay, as you can see, I have the broccoli and the cabbage underneath the grow light, and I also have some squash that I started on the 20th, I believe, 22nd rather, and they've come up. Although one of the leaves on this one looks kind of odd, but I'm going to let these grow until I get 2 true sets of leaves. True leaves on each plant, and then I'll take them out and plant them. If you're interested in the Mars grow light, go to marshydro.com. The link is in my description of the video. Well, I want to thank you for coming along with me while we started some broccoli and cabbage, and we took out our okra and our cooked cucumbers to let them become acclimated to the weather, and then we'll come back and plant them. I'll do that on another video. If you got anything out of the video, give me a big thumbs up. For those of you that are watching the video and haven't subscribed and are on the fence about doing so, I can grow a lot of vegetables and plants by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. So please consider doing so. If you do, make sure you hit the like button and click on the notification all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. I know a lot of you have subscribed, which I am grateful for, but you haven't hit the notify all, and according to YouTube's algorithm, some of you aren't seeing the video when it premieres. So if you would kindly consider doing that, I would appreciate it. If you're interested in any of the items that I used in the video, you can head over to my Amazon storefront, or you can head over to my website. The links are in the comment section of the video. And until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, always remember to give God the thanks, for without Him, we are nothing.